FX Nation, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. And as you read at the beginning of the video, guys, we do have a scammer out there. Some stupid scammer using our name and logo on Telegram to scam people. So please do not fall victim to any scams on Telegram. We do not have any official channels on Telegram, so please do not fall victim to anything that you see on Telegram, especially with our name and logo on it. Only our services are available through our website only. All right, so please be safe out there. There's so many freaking scams out there, it's ridiculous. I guess now it's our turn to to fall victim to somebody using our name and logo. Anyways, let's go ahead, guys, and talk about gold. Did anybody see the move on gold today? Let's take a look. Man, it was a beautiful type 3 setup on gold. I don't think you could have gotten any better of a setup. If you want to know what a type 3 setup looks like, just look at gold today. It was literally the perfect setup. So we're coming off of peak formation high, so we're looking for sells anyways. All right, looking for sells anyways. And here was the trade setup on gold. It was a type 3 setup. As you can see, price action came straight out and down from the Asian range, came back up and literally hit the brakes right in the middle of the Asian range. Typically, we only get one leg essentially on type 3 setups, but this one was even better because it gave us 2, and the second leg gave us a railroad track right here along with a pullback. So you couldn't ask for a better setup. So the entry on this one right here for me was 1845.600, and then the stop loss that we used was a 25 pip stop loss actually. So it was 1848.350. What was the target? Well, the target for me was 1830 because we just talked about this last night on our weekly group sessions that we have with mentoring students and FXN Plus members. So we talked about price action coming back to retrace to 1830. Why? Well, if we look at the higher time frame, we saw that we broke through. Let me get rid of all this stuff here. We broke through the 1830 mark, right? But we never actually came out and retested that 1830. So I wanted price action to come back and retest 1830 before coming back to around the 1900 area, because look, there's nothing here, right? We don't have any kind of price action here to stop price from going higher. Okay, so what do we get? We ended up getting a huge 400 pip move that literally blew through 1830 and went to the next area, which is 1810. And that's literally where we're sitting at right now, 1810. So what am I looking for essentially for this? Well, because we blew through 1830 like if it was sitting still or not even there, and we went directly back down to 1810, I'm looking for one of two things. Either 1810 level is going to hold, and then we're going back up to 1830 or above, or if 1810 level does not hold, we are definitely going to 1767 level, which is this level right here. Okay, if that one fails, we're going to 1746, and then finally 1725. So that's what I'm expecting on gold, or waiting for gold to do. So right now with that 400 pip move, obviously we're at right now 3 times ADR on this particular pair. So I would be expecting some form of this level 1810 area to basically hold, and then see if we can get a move back up to 1830. If not, it's okay. I'll still sell to 17 to the lower level of 1767. So I don't care which way it goes. I'm ready and prepared for any direction that this thing goes, as long as it gives me a pattern to trade and a setup to trade. That's all I care about. Okay. But huge move today on gold, and it could not, again, it could not have been any much of a better move with the setup, because you had the directional bias in your favor, you had the pattern, which was a type 3, you had the timing, which was inside of the London box, and as far as confirmation goes, it was pinning to the middle of the range, pinning to the 50 EMA, and then also you had the TDI also coming off and pinning from the 50 on the TDI. So everything was there for you to take the specific trade setup. Everything that you needed for a trade to happen happened on gold. So really the best trade, I think, of the entire day, and it could be the best trade of the week, because if you weren't paying attention to this and you let this thing go, I mean, we're talking very easily 16 to 1 risk to reward ratio. Okay, 16 to 1 risk to reward ratio. So really, really huge trade, and I mean, it was pretty fast once it got moving. Okay, gold had that incredible move. That's what I'm expecting on gold for, you know, the rest of this week, is to see whether or not that level of 1810 actually holds or not. And that's it. Just react to what price action is giving you and telling you. Okay. So I hope this video brought you some value, guys, on gold and what the setups look like. If you need any more help, please join us on FXN Plus. If you want to take our mentoring course, we have a new one coming up in January. The links for that are in the description, or you can just go directly to our website, fxntrading.com. Guys, thank you so much. Have a great holiday weekend coming up. Be safe and take care.